How to add video Vimeo on Chrome. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be showing you how you can easily download any videos from Vimeo application or website on your Chrome. So first thing first, simply head over to your Chrome browser and inside Chrome browser just type in web extensions. For this feature you need to download a web extension called either Vimeo video downloader or this one, or what you can do is video downloader plus, which is the one I recommend you because it literally downloads everything, not just from Vimeo website itself but from other website as well. So once you do that, you need to add the extension over here, and as you can see the puzzle icon over here, you will be seeing an extension, all the list of extension over here. You just need to make sure you have pinned it successfully. Once you do that, you can easily see that particular extension over here. And once you do that, simply go over to your Vimeo website, and once you do that, simply hover over any of our videos, and as you can see, the website which the extension which you had downloaded previously will automatically show and detect all the Vimeo videos which you would like to download. And remember guys, some videos are AI powered as well, so for that you need to go to the premium version of it. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if it was. So see you in the next one.